Good morning, class third. How are you? I hope you all would be fine. I'm a computer teacher. Open your books. Chapter number 1, that is input devices. Already I have discussed the chapter with you, and today I will discuss the exercise of this chapter. So, before doing the exercise, I will revise this chapter once again with all the students. I will give you a summarized part of this chapter. So let us start. So what are input devices? In this chapter we have to only study about input devices, and it is already mentioned over here that our input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, microphone and scanner. So you all might be knowing the computer works on a systematic way. So we have to follow this rule, input output cycle. So when we give some data, that is input, to the computer, then it processes and then gives output. So I have already told you about the IPO cycle. IPO means, IPO stands for I for input, P for processing and O for output. So this is the system how the computer works. So we have to only study about the input devices in this chapter. So our main input device is keyboard. So already I have discussed this part. So there are several keys on the keyboard. You all might have seen the keyboard, so you will be knowing about this. So what are the types of the keys that we see on the keyboard? There are some alphabetic keys, that are A, B, C, D and till Z. Clear? There are numeral keys, number keys, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. And there are some functional keys from F1 to F12. There's a big backspace key, delete key, spacebar key, modifier keys. All these keys are used to input data in the computer. So keyboard is our main input device. Already we have discussed all these things, so I am giving you a just summary of this chapter. Clear? Our second input device was mouse. We have to study about mouse. So mouse is another important input device of the computer. It is also called a pointing device. This is the most important part, that mouse is a pointing device. Clear? So if you have to select something on the desktop, then you just click on it. But when you have to execute some instruction to the file, or to give instructions or open a file, you will double click on the mouse. See, some mice also have a scroll wheel. आप सबने देखा है माउस में एक स्क्रॉल व्हील होता है, which helps in moving through the pages of a document easily. Is it clear? Just we are revising this chapter and we have to do the exercise. So third input device is joystick. What is joystick? A joystick has a lever fixed on a base with a few buttons. It is used for playing games on computer. You must have seen. See, this is a picture of the joystick. ये चाह तो बेटा गेम्स खेलने में काम आता है ये डिवाइस. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? सी, द अर्लीस्ट जॉयस्टिक्स वर यूज्ड इन एयरप्लेन्स. in airplanes. Clear? Now the fourth one, that is web camera. You all have seen web cameras. See, this is the picture over here. This is the picture of the web camera. A web camera is used to feed photos and videos into the computer. If we have to input our photos and videos, so which is the medium? That is web camera. So it is also an input device. Clear? See, web camera is generally used during live chatting. During live chatting. This is the most important part. Generally this question is asked that where web cameras are used. The web cameras is generally used for live chatting. Clear? Then microphone. Why we use microphones as an input device? Because we have to feed sound into the computer, so we use microphones. So it is also an input device. Clear? Then scanner. You all might be knowing about scanners. See, this is the picture of scanner. What does the scanner do? Scanner converts all types of paper documents into a file that can be stored into a computer. Clear? तो स्कैनर क्या कर रहा है? एक कन्वर्ट कर देता है बेटा ऑल द पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एक ये फाइल बना देता है ताकि हमारे कंप्यूटर में ये अपलोड हो सके. सो ऑल दीज वर आर इनपुट डिवाइसेस. सो मेनली वी हैव डिस्कस्ड कीबोर्ड, joystick, scanner, web camera, microphone in this chapter. So open the page number 9. Open the page number 9. So you all might be seeing all these pictures over here. So name this device. This is mouse. So you will write mouse over here. And this one is scanner. So you will write scanner below this picture. Clear? Name this device. This is web camera. You will write web camera over here. Web camera. Clear? And name this device. This is our keyboard. This is our keyboard. Is it clear? Now come on, we will start our fill in the blanks. Microphone helps us to feed dash into the computer. So you have to write sound. You have to write sound into the computer. हम माइक्रोफोन किस लिए यूज करते हैं? टू फीड साउंड into the computer. Clear? In the second filler, a joystick helps us to, I have told you, to play games. You have to write play games in the second filler. Third one is mouse help us point and select things on the monitor. Select things on the monitor. Is it clear? All have done the first three fill-ups. Clear. Okay, turn the page. The next one is the scanner converts all type of paper documents into a, किसमें convert करता है? Into a file. You have to write over here file. Clear? The fourth fill-up, file. Now the fifth one, dash is the name of a type of scanner. You have to write flatbed. You have to learn this. Flatbed is the name of a scanner. Now sixth one, we dash the mouse buttons to select objects. मैंने अभी बताया आपको select करना हो तो you have to just click on it. You have to just click on it. We dash the mouse button to execute an instruction or open a file. So I have told you, if we have to execute an instruction or to open a file, we double click on it. Clear? Now come on eighth fill-up. Dash helps in moving through the pages of a document easily. So what is the answer? Scroll wheel. You have to write scroll wheel. Now the ninth one, the joystick has a lever fixed to a base with a few buttons. You have to write buttons. Now the 10th one, dash is used during live chatting. I have told you. The answer is web camera. Is it clear? So today I will discuss only the fill in the blanks of this chapter, and you all have to do this fill in the blanks in your computer notebook. So that's all for today. In the next section I will discuss about the true false and the remaining topic of this chapter. Till then, goodbye.